This video demonstrates how to replace the battery in your 2011 to 2013 Kia Sorento key fob. A weak battery can cause issues with remote locking/unlocking. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective DIY task, saving you a trip to the dealership. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. The 2011-2013 Kia Sorento key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This battery type is widely available at auto parts stores, online retailers like Amazon and Walmart, and most general stores. Ensure you purchase a CR2032, as other sizes may not fit or function correctly. A new battery typically costs under $5. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the key fob. Avoid using metal tools if possible, as they can short-circuit the battery or damage the internal components. Work in a well-lit area to prevent losing any small parts. Wearing gloves is recommended to avoid skin contact with the lithium battery, which can cause irritation. Locate the small seam on the key fob where the two halves meet. This is where the plastic casing connects. Insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the gap near the key ring. Use a gentle motion to avoid damage. Gently twist the tool to separate the two halves of the fob. Apply even pressure around the seam. Avoid applying excessive force, which can crack or damage the plastic casing. Take your time for best results. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery held in place by a plastic holder. Use the pry tool or your fingertip to gently lift the old battery out of the holder. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side usually faces up. This is crucial for installing the new battery correctly. Now for step 3, installing the new battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the holder, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Make sure the battery is securely seated in the holder. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together until they click securely. Ensure there are no gaps or loose parts. Test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. The vehicle should respond from a reasonable distance, up to 30 feet. If it doesn't work, proceed to the troubleshooting step. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, try reprogramming it by inserting the key into the ignition, turning it to the on position, and pressing the lock or unlock buttons on the fob. If this doesn't work, consult your Kia dealer for further assistance. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center to avoid environmental harm. Regularly replacing your key fob battery every 1 to 2 years, or sooner in cold climates, will ensure reliable performance and prevent unexpected failures.